My throat is tingling.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house.
Hi, today's Sunday and it's actually the 2nd of February. I was at work yesterday. So I couldn't do what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to prepare for the month of February, goal setting, and yeah, I also have some work I've been like putting away for so long, so I'm going to get started on that. I can't show you guys, but I have actually started. I'm just going to complete it after breakfast because today I woke up like really hungry. I've been up for a while, so yeah, I really need to eat. So I'll see you guys later, I guess. I just spent the last hour and a half blow drying my hair, and I randomly decided to style it, and I'm pretty sure that it's not going to come out as curls, maybe more as waves or just like a little belly there bump. But I mean, it's the look I was going for anyways. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I've been sick the last few days. Like, I've been so sick the last few days. I've just been winging it, trying to like go to work and act tough. And yeah, also last night I lost my voice, but it's back now, which is great. It's just like all the coughing and everything. It's the flu. It's everywhere. I don't know what's in the air in the UK, but the flu is like everywhere. Everywhere you turn, it's like someone coughing or sneezing. So it's, yeah, it's just what it is at this point. Now I'm going to try and clean up, not like proper cleaning, just try and like take away the hair from the floor, because I lost like a lot of hair. And you can, as you can see, like my hair is definitely not the healthiest at all. Last year it was thriving and I was like complaining, but now it's gotten really bad. My split ends has gotten so worse this last few months. It's just what it is. Anyway, my throat is tingling, so I've got to go and stop talking. And also, I think I might show you an update of what my hair turns out to look like. I'll leave it in for just 1 hour max and put my hair in a bun. If it doesn't work out, it's fine. I was going to style it for work anyway, so yeah. See you guys later.